We'll guide you through how to deactivate and delete your Facebook account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in the Outlook app, and so you want to go and add an email account. You can go and see I already have one in here, but I want to go and add it still and add another because it's quite common to go and have multiple email inboxes. You may go and have a work and a personal one or a business one, and it's really convenient to be able to go and manage them all within the same app. It saves you from having to go and switch to different apps or even go to a website. So for example, I've got a Gmail email, but you can go and use this with other email providers as well. And at the moment, I have to go and open up Gmail on my web browser. But what we can do is we can go and add it into Outlook so it can all be managed from the same place. And we can go and check our emails. I can go and send emails from here as well. So make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss an important point to this guide. So to go and get started with this in the app, you need to go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and find the gear or cog icon, which is settings, and click there. Now you want to come into accounts and find your accounts and come to the right. And you're going to find the option for add account. Now you can go and type in your email. So you've got Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo. You can add others as well. So I'm going to type in my email here, go and press continue, and we can go and press continue here. And we're going to go and sync it. So your web browser will go and open up. And what you can then do is go and press continue here. And you need to go and give the different access here. So you can select all at the top if you agree, go down and press continue, and we can press open Outlook, and you'll then be brought back here. And just go and to go and find it, you can scroll down and you can then go and see it at the bottom here, and you can click on it and press inbox and wait for it to go and load.